This video will demonstrate rotating and flipping in the Scilligence JSDraw sketcher. These buttons can be found here under the fourth from the left, under the center button. You can see rotate, flip horizontal, and hit flip vertical. Rotate is most often used for rotating an entire molecule, but it can also be used for rotating a fragment when appropriate. So to illustrate that, I will show you with this molecule, which is a glutathione with a chlorophenyl ester. I will select the entire molecule using this select tool, and then I will go to rotate and then click outside of it, and you can then rotate it around a central axis. And you can see that the stereochemistry is maintained. I'll put it back now to the way it was, and I'll show you how to rotate it, flip it. To flip it vertically, simply click, and you can see that again, the absolute stereochemistry was maintained at the chiral centers. And to rotate it or flip it the other way, flip horizontal now, and you can see, again, stereochemistry was maintained during the flip. So let me flip it back. And I'm going to flip it one more time to get it back to the original way. So as far as flipping a portion of the molecule, you would do that by selecting it with either the box tool or the lasso. So what I'm going to do is select these 5 atoms here at the end. So very carefully select them and don't select the adjacent bond. And now if I click flip, you can see what it did was it flipped it around. It flipped the NH2 with the carboxyl, again, maintaining the absolute stereochemistry at this carbon. And again, if you want to flip a larger fragment, now I will select these 5 atoms again, but I will now select the 6th atom here. And if I click on flip, you can see what it did. Flipped it up like that. And similarly on this phenyl ring, if I select just the phenyl and the chloro, and if I click on flip, it flips it around. So that's how you use rotating and flipping in JSDraw Sketcher. Thanks for watching.